Angela. Booger. Hey, why are you crawling? You know how to walk. Get up. Good girl. Good girl. Aw, man. Angela, I love you. Don't put that in your mouth.